Subject: Introduction to Cost Accounting. Chapter number 1: Introduction to Cost Accounting. What is cost? Cost is the amount of expenditure incurred on a specified things or the activity. What do you mean by costing? Costing means classifying, recording, and appropriate allocation of the expenditure for the determination of the cost of the goods and services, or presentation of suitably arranged data for the purpose of the control and guidance for the management. Next is, what is cost accounting? Cost accounting is the application of costing and cost accounting principles, methods, techniques to the science, art and practice of cost control and the ascertainment of profitability. Cost accounting जो है वो एक आपको ऐसा एप्लीकेशन है जो आपको मेथड बताता है या आपको टेक्निक बताता है कि जो हमारा जो कॉस्ट है वो कैसे कंट्रोल होगा, कॉस्ट कैसे कम से कम कॉस्ट में हम प्रॉफिट ज़्यादा अर्न कर सकते हैं. It includes the presentation of the information derived therefrom for the purpose of managerial decision making. कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग जो है ये आपको हेल्प करता है किसी भी कंपनी में आपको डिसीजन लेने में कि कंपनी को कैसे मैनेज करना है या एक्टिविटीज़ जो है वो कैसे मैनेज होगी. नेक्स्ट इज डेफिनेशन ऑफ कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग. Cost accounting is defined as the process of accounting for the cost which begins with the recording of income and expenditure or the basis on which they are calculated and end with the preparation of the periodical statement and reports for ascertaining and controlling cost. Next is origin of the cost accounting. The age of the Industrial Revolution resulted in the first sweep of large businesses and organizations. So these organizations were more complex and dynamic. This is what led to the invention of what is now the modern cost accounting process in use. So the origin and the evolution of cost accounting can be traced back to the Industrial Revolution. The idea was to help the businessman to record and keep a track of their cost and expenses. Before the golden age of industrialization, most of the expenses of these businesses are what we would categorize as variable cost. The cost related to the labor, material and such variable cost. However, when industrialization took off, these businesses had more fixed cost. These are costs that are not directly related to the production of the goods and services. For example, fixed costs are rent, depreciation, storage cost, etc. As railroads, steel industry, and other such large industries developed, understanding fixed costs become important. Allocating them become of importance to the manager and to the owners for their decision making, pricing, and product development. And this was the origination of modern cost accounting. Next is evolution of cost accounting. That is history of cost accounting. The environment of a business in the modern world is very complex and dynamic. A business has to navigate many complex factors such as competition, new entrants, risk, uncertainty, etc. This makes the running and expansion of these companies that much more complex and difficult. This was not the case before industrialization, when the businesses were small and in a relatively simpler environment. So for the successful management of a business in the current modern world, they require a lot of input and process. जो कॉस्टिंग जो कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग जो वर्ड है ये फॉर्म किया गया था 17th सेंचुरी में, कहाँ, फ्रांस में. जो फाउंडर थे या जो जिन्होंने इस चीज़ को इन्वेंट किया वो थे रॉयल वॉलपेपर मैन्युफैक्चरी, जिन्होंने कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग को जो है इन्वेंट किया था. 18th सेंचुरी में इंग्लैंड ने भी कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग इंफॉर्मेशन इन्वेंट किया, जिसमें उसने आपको इंडस्ट्रियल रिवोल्यूशन क्या होता है उसके पहले ही उसने कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग इंफॉर्मेशन क्या है उसके बारे में थोड़ा बहुत हमको नॉलेज दे दिया था. Only traditional financial accounting is not sufficient for effective management of medium and large size organizations. So with time, there was the origin and evolution of a branch of financial accounting, the cost accounting process. And then in the last few decades, cost accounting has been rapid evolution and growth in the business world. New procedures and techniques were developed to further refine the process of cost accounting. The idea behind developing cost accounting was to negate the limitations of the traditional accounting system. So cost accounting will help the organizations control cost and maximize efficiency, something financial accounting cannot offer. With time, these scientific methods lead to these standards being formed. The standards on cost accounting aim at the uniformity of methods amongst an industry or an economy. And with time, there was a development of cost audit to review and examine the record of the cost accounting. तो ये आपका cost accounting का evolution था. 17th century में रॉयल वॉलपेपर मैन्युफैक्चरी ने इन्वेंट किया था, इंट्रोड्यूस किया था कि कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग है क्या. 18th सेंचुरी में इंग्लैंड ने कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग इन्फॉर्मेशन क्या होता है इंडस्ट्रियल रिवॉल्यूशन से पहले आपको बताया था. इंडस्ट्रियल रिवॉल्यूशन जो है आपको एग्जांपल में बता देती हूँ कि इंडस्ट्रियल रिवॉल्यूशन में आपको एग्जांपल टेक्सटाइल, रेलवे, ये सब इंडस्ट्रियल रिवॉल्यूशन के एग्जांपल है, जहाँ पे एम जो था कि जो हमारा जो खर्चा है उसको कम करे और प्रॉफिट कम खर्च में ज़्यादा अर्न करे. तो ये आपको कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग जो है वो हेल्प करता है किसी भी कंपनी को मैनेज करने में. थैंक यू.